Alright crew, I know I was done with this sketch, but I couldn't help myself. I know in the other one I talked about adding colors to them, just highlighters. I mean, that's all I did. And so even though I'm almost done with this one, like mostly done with it, I'll add a few more just so you guys can see what I did. A few more little highlights and whatnot. Basically, I know that if I mix blue with red, right, we get purple. So you'll see some purple in some of these areas. And this is all I did. And some green. I added some green too. So it's not like I colored the entire raven blue and then start adding highlights. No, I'll just do some areas, right? So that it looks like it's turning from a purple to a blue, maybe a little bit of a green over here. Let's see, like right here. See that? Oh, here you go. Here's a good example. I added a little bit of green. Alright, see that? Oh, closing these highlighters with one hand. It's a little tricky. And I'll just go over it and add a little bit of blue in some of these areas. So see, it gives us that nice little transition, blue, green, a little bit of that purple. That's all I did, guys. And the end result, well, as you can see, this is the end result. I'm pretty pleased with it. Nevermore. Alright, now for the legs. I added, this was my color, my base color. It was yellow. I just highlighted it. It's all highlighters, guys. Yellow. And I just happen to have an orange here. So the orange, I just kind of went through it, added some, it was like my my darker colors here, so I'll just add that on the edges. Look at that. It blends so well. Oh, I forgot to add a little bit of yellow here. And there you go. Alright, this time I mean it. Alright guys, until next time, we'll see you guys. Thank you for hanging out with me during this little sketch.